To change DPI settings on Motorola Edge 70 Pro, we have two main ways that allow you to do so. The first option is to go to Settings, then we can choose Display option over here, and then in these display settings we have the display size and text, and we should be able to slide to the left and to the right to adjust the DPI over here. And you can also just tap anywhere on the slider, or you can use minus and plus buttons. But there is also another way that allows you to change DPI, and that is by using developer options. And by doing so, you have the option to set precisely the DPI value. So first we need to enable developer options. We're gonna go to About Phone, then choose Device Identifiers over here, and you want to keep tapping on the build number until you need to enter your screen lock password. After that, you should see the message that you are now a developer. So we're gonna go back to Settings and choose System. Then in System Settings, we have Developer Options. Now here in the Developer Options, we need to actually scroll down for a little bit until you find an option that is called Smallest Width. And this is how we can change the DPI. The lower this value is, the bigger everything is going to be on the screen. And of course, there are certain values. I think 320 is the smallest number that we can provide. So let's see. I'm going to type 300. And there we go. As you can see, we have 320. And as you can see, also, everything is much bigger. At the same time, if you provide a lower number, then of course you can make everything much smaller. Now you have to be careful with these values, because if you provide like a really high number, you might encounter some visual glitches and bugs, and it might be actually very difficult to revert those changes. Of course, you can set the smallest width back to 452. This seems to be the standard, the default value. However, what you can also do is you can just simply go back to Display Settings, then over here, reopen Display Size and Text, and change display size to anything, and then revert it back to your of course, desired size. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.